My advice is to you guys is never piss off a woman with a saw. Saw. Jeez.
Let me get these little guys. Ooh. Don't fall, don't fall. I gotta get this guy, right?
Nah, it's too far.
All right, do we have a clear line for the horses?
We gotta.
Well, I got up here. Now I'm too far away from the fence. And, all right, we'll have to figure this out. Yeah, I'm breaking every OSHA rule. Thank goodness I'm not employed to do this.
That's all right.
All right, I can't step on the fence.
All right, I'll pull the mule a little bit closer, okay? Yeah, you got the post right there. Look at that. Oh, manhandling.
Yay, team. Okay.